Omkar Jitendra Kumar Jaju. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to do case study on Urban Rigger, which is located in Denmark. The project is done by the architect Bach Angel Group. The area of the project is 680 meters square, which was built in the year 2016, which was manufactured by Danfoss. The recent years have demonstrated a substantial and sustained increase in the number of student applicants throughout the Denmark. As the number of students continues to grow, additional student housing will be needed to accommodate them. There are few strategies that allow cities to expand, yet the harbour remains at underutilized and underdeveloped area at the heart of the city. By introducing a building typology optimized for the harbour city, we can introduce a housing solution that will keep students at the heart of the city. This is the Denmark, and this is the site where the project is located. Let's look about the user. The student are almost the first to experience the challenges of finding a place to live in an undersupplied market, often new in town and with a small disposable income. They frequently face difficulties finding affordable and permanent housing. In fact, rising urbanization in Europe, major cities will leave a project shortfall of more than 4 million beds by 2025. Basic needs of the students: a shelter to stay, a comfortable space to sleep and study, a unique place which is different from the society and which is under my budget. Yeah, the students' budgets are very less. Security purpose, the cultural space where to interact with the students, different activities can take place. Adding things as per the needs, where they can add things for their laptop, table and etc. Sense of personal space, where they feel personal when they are needed. Materials. The Urban Rigger, so-called hydro-source heating, is an efficient, economical and sustainable solution that uses surrounding water as a free and clean heating source. The heat pump ensures that 75% of the energy for heating and hot water is extracted from the sea. Together with the solar panels, this means Danfoss 13 kilowatt heat pump uses very little electricity. Additionally, the Rigger ventilation unit removes stale air and supplies constant fresh air, while minimizing heat loss with up to 95% heat recovery. The standardized container system has been developed to allow goods to be transported by road, water or air to anywhere in the world in a complex network of operators at a very low cost. By making use of standard container system, we are offered the framework for an extremely flexible building typology. Let's look at its plan. The Urban Rigger housing unit is unique design, protected, floating, flexible, energy efficient and mobile property. Totally 745 meters square spread over 300 meters square of housing. There are 9 plus 3 individual student residents of respectively 23 meters square, 30 meters square, a 160 meters square shared green courtyard, bathing platform and BBQ area, as well as 65 meters square communal roof terrace. Downstairs, below a sea level, the 220 meters square basement is comprising of 12 storage rooms, a big lounge area plus kitchen, a technical room and shared fully automated laundry by stacking 9 containers units in a circle. We can create 12 studio residence which frames a centralized winter garden. This is used as a common meeting place for students. Ground floor plan. This is the courtyard, more interactive space. These are the 3 units, 3 containers. This is the entry to the first unit. Over here, this is the pantry area. This is the toilet, and over here is the bedroom and the study area. This is the viewing gallery. Same way the 3 other 2 are there. Let's look at the upper floor, which is made up of 2 containers joining and making 1 container to accommodate 3 rooms. Over here, their common toilet, pantry area. Same way, all the 3 container blocks are replicated. Cities across the world are striving to achieve many of the same objectives for their waterfronts. They seek a waterfront that is place of the public enjoyment and want a waterfront that serves more than one purpose. People want a place to work and to live, as well as place to play. Accordingly, a place that contributes to the quality of life in all the aspects, economic, social, and cultural. This is the section. This is the container basement on which all the 3 and 9 containers are stacked. This is the staircase which is going upstairs. This is the ISO of the building. Let's look at its evolution of the building. The Urban Rigor project shows how thinking smart can lead to create ways of solving houses challenge, like placing buildings on water rather than land, developed by Kim Lodrup of Underklink, Denmark, in close collaboration with Bach Angels and architects from the Big. These floating domes are ambitious attempt to meet housing challenge. Was the basement part for the floating on the water. These are the containers which are stacked in the form of 3. On that, the combine of 2 containers which is stacked upstairs on that, and this is the final form. Let's look at what is the purpose of creating courtyard kind of this. When they try to arrange the containers into triangular composition to frame a central courtyard, this allowed us to minimize the footprint of the pontoon while opening views to the water, optimizing the housing unit. Creating connections. By detaching the corners slightly, a hexagonal courtyard with open corners takes form, creating a connection between communities and allowing for further expansions. Internal communication. Courtyards at the heart of the urban rigor create opportunities for communities activity with each unit as weather in Denmark changes drastically from season to season. We enclose the gaps with greenhouse glass, minimizing the thermal exposure during the winter months, to enclose the largest possible amount of the space with the minimal amount of surface. Outward views. The hexagons combine in variety of ways to form different communities, focusing views in all directions and creating clear unique views directed towards the sea. Multi-level connections. Another layer container units complete the circle, forming a hexagon of overlapping entities. The urban rigor is also a powerful example how innovative engineering solutions can help bring architect vision to life and solve urban challenges. I think the urban rigor has potential to play an important role in solving the challenges of urbanization. People moving to the cities is a problem, but it also the solution. So how do we make the problem part of the solution? We think smart, and by thinking smart, I mean thinking sustainably. Sustainable solution mean that they both look good or nice to live in, but also that they perform. Thinking smart depends on cultivating a deeper cooperation across stakeholders and building strong relationships between engineers, architects, and contractors in particular. The Urban Rigor Student Housing Project is one example of how working together can make a real difference to life in a growing city by using the additional building principles for connecting and floating elements so that the concept can easily be assembled in floating apartment blocks of varying size and needed as desired. Urban rigor can be located anywhere with water access and can easily be moved to wherever housing is needed, but space is limited. This is the ISO view of the urban rigor. These are some views of the urban rigor. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.